Hi everybody, this is Abby with Scrappin' Abby, and I'm back with another design team project for Crafting Ireland. This is another ribbon project that I'm working on. Just to kind of recap in case you're watching this video before you see the first one I did. As part of the design team with Crafting Ireland, we were given quite a selection of some ribbons, and I have a video showing all of the ribbons earlier that I did, I think about a week or so ago from the date that you guys will see this video. And I'm breaking apart each project by ribbon selection. So I'm going to be making probably using about 3 different color selections of ribbons. So this is my second project, and the ribbons I'm going to be using on this project are these 2 right here. So we were just given a kind of a variety mix of them in an envelope. So I was excited to kind of dig through what I was given and pick out the ones that I wanted to work with. So both of these are kind of like the grosgrain ribbon, and hope you can kind of see the colors there. This one is red with Santa and his reindeer pulling the sleigh, and there's some stars in the background. And then this one is just a coordinating solid yellow. So I wanted to kind of incorporate these. I've never seen Christmas ribbon in this color palette, like, you know, these 2 together. So I thought it would be a fun challenge to create some projects using this. So that's kind of my starting point, are those ribbons right there. And then the paper I'm going to be using as the background, I guess I should tell you what the project is first, I'm sorry. I'm going to be making this kind of like a series or a set of holiday gift tags that you can put on a gift bag. You can attach to, you know, little, like a little gift for gift cards. You can make those like using little, you know, like little canvas burlap bags that are this big. You can attach these tags to that if you want to. You can put them to an actual present. You can have it, you know, hooked onto the top of a bottle of wine or something like that, whatever kind of gift you can imagine. So I just wanted to make just kind of a handful of some tags, so I had some ready to go for the holiday season. So that's what I'm making, and I'm going to be using this paper here as the base of some of the tags. This is from Webster's Pages, and it's I think it's from, this is the other side, which is beautiful. I have a couple sheets of this, so I'm okay cutting it up. But it's from the Your Life is Beautiful collection. So this one isn't necessarily holiday themed, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to make it coordinate. You know, it'll match when I get everything done. So I'm going to be building this off of this as the base, and I'm using my die, my Brenda Walton die from Sizzix. It's the gift tags die, so I'm going to probably use a combination of both just to kind of mix it up a little bit, and then cut the cardstock from this, and I'm going to be embellishing those with these 6x6 sheets from Webster's Pages as well. These 3 are all the same, but just to kind of show you, these have little doors. These are so cute with all these different types of holiday wreaths on it. I love these. These doors are so cute. I've used them on other projects. They're I have a 12x12 sheet as well. And these, again, 6x6. This is also from Webster's Pages, 3 of the same. And I'm just going to be kind of cutting out some of these different images and putting them on the tags. And then I have a combination of some different holiday stamps, just a variety. Sorry for the glare, I haven't taken them out of my storage thing yet. But like to and from, you know, I might use, you know, some of the sentiments, holiday blessings, that kind of thing. And here just kind of a random variety of different holiday stamps that have little tiny sentiments. I wanted to keep the tags, you know, the size of this right here. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on the project, and I will do a video when the project is complete. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys soon. Okay everybody, I am back with my completed holiday gift tags, and as I showed you guys in the first part of this video, I chose to use 2 different ribbons that again I was sent from Nicole at Crafting Ireland as part of a design team package. We all received, I don't know if it was the same ribbons or not for all the ladies on the team or not, but my envelope included a bunch of different variety and styles and whatnot. And so the 2 I chose to work with for this particular project are these right here. And this one is really pretty. It's a red, kind of a grosgrain ribbon, and it has, oops, sorry, it has a Santa in his, well, actually you don't even see a Santa really. He's kind of a tree in his sleigh, and then he's pulling, you know, the reindeer. It's got some stars in the background. So I got quite a bit of this one, and so I have quite a bit of this one left. And So I'm going to be using this actually on another project as well. And this is all that I have left of the yellow. I know it's kind of silly to even show that little bit to you, but I want you guys to see the 2 different ribbons I use for this project. So as I mentioned in the first part of the video, I was going to be making some holiday tags, and these are the 4 that I have done. I obviously tended to gravitate more towards this scallopy edge tag because I didn't realize I made more of these than I did the square one or rectangle. So I'll go ahead and share with you guys up close what I used. And again, the cardstock is the Webster's Pages, and then the ribbons and trims are all just those 2, except for a little bit of the red and white twine that I used. So I just put on some stickles on this sentiment or this little card, and then I just did some decorative edge punching with my edge puncher, added just a little, you know, mistletoe type of item. And then what I did for the actual ribbon on this one is I just put some score tape down, and I just did kind of a crinkle. I just kind of did a wavy thing, and it kind of looks like ribbon candy to me, like the vintage Christmas ribbon candy. And what that does is just, in addition to adding some color and texture to the tag, it really makes it pop off there, and I like that because it gives a little bit of dimension. And you know, you guys know I love the texture and the dimension of things. I think it's just really pretty. And the back is done too because it's double-sided paper, so that makes it really nice. And then I just tied some more of the yellow ribbon off on the top of the tag there. And this is really cute, I think. And I just stamped Season's Greetings on the end there. So this will be really fun to put on, you know, a gift bag or something like that, or, you know, attached to a present under a big ribbon bow or something like that. And for this one here, I chose to use the yellow ribbon as the background element. I did a little bit of inking on it, just to kind of make it blend and be a little bit more muted, not quite such a bright yellow. I actually stamped a sentiment right on the ribbon, and which is a fun thing to do. If you guys aren't doing that, you can emboss on ribbon. It's a lot of fun things you can do with it. It's a great background medium to add layers and stuff too. And then I just cut out a tiny door from that one page I showed with you guys, added some stickles just to kind of, you know, add some little bit of dimension to all the different items in the background of the paper. Have a little fabric poinsettia, and I put some of that red and white twine in there just to kind of make it pop off the tag a little bit. And again, this is double-sided, so either way it hangs on something, it's gonna look really pretty. And so there's that one there, and I just topped that one off with some twine. And then for the next one, did the same thing again with stamping on the yellow piece of ribbon, but this time I took the red ribbon and made that the background, and added some stickles to little cranberries, a couple different colors just to kind of make them look like little jewels, and they're kind of frosted, kind of a fun little thing to do. And then, you know, again, the decorative edge punching on the little tag. Excuse me, you guys. And then I added some more of that red and white twine right there. I think I'm starting to get a cold, you guys. I apologize. All 3 of my videos for this project I have a raspy voice. I apologize. And for this one here, instead of making the hole on this side, I decided to make it on the top because I thought that was really cute. This would be fun to even put like on a layout or a card. These don't even have to be tags necessarily. This would be a fun, you know, embellishment you could make to give away to somebody, like in, you know, a gift rack or something like that. And, you know, because you can buy them like this, but this is great to make your own. I like to build layers and make my own elements instead of purchasing them. So what I did here is the same thing. It was the same size of card as what you guys saw down here. I just tore the edges, inked it, and then I took some more of that red ribbon, and I'll turn it so you guys can see. I just did, you know, use some score tape because I love score tape, and I just did a waving pattern just to kind of, again, add some more dimension and element to the page. Add a couple more of those you know, poinsettias and little mistletoe type things there in one in the corner here. And just a little bit of stickling on the little eggs inside the bird's nest. And this one's probably my favorite tag. I just think it's really cute. I like this one a lot. I think I'm going to add this one to a card actually, instead of you know, putting it on a present like I was going to do. So this is just a fun way you guys can, you know, use different kinds of ribbons, colors, and things like that, just to kind of share with you that you don't have to always, as I've said in the other 2 videos, you don't always have to use a traditional, you know, red, green, gold, silver type ribbons, metallics and stuff. It's fun to mix it up and use even some solid ribbons like this yellow. I probably never would have gravitated towards this particular ribbon to use on a holiday project, but it just goes to show that, you know, I'm going to zoom in just so you can kind of see a little bit more. Oops, wrong way. It just kind of goes to show you guys that you can use different colors of ribbons and just mix in, you know, some elements of the holiday or some holiday papers or things like that. And it really turns your projects into a nice holiday themed project. And these would be great to give away as a gift itself, you know, and that way the person can use it next Christmas or the next holiday season, you know, because everybody always likes to have those kind of things ahead of time. So I'm going to be making more than just the 4. These are just the ones I have done for now. And thanks you guys for checking out another design team project for Crafting Ireland. Be sure to head to the blog. I'll put a link in the description below, and that way you guys can go check out more photos of my project as well as projects from my design team sisters. So thanks for checking out another Scrap and Abby video. Happy crafting, and I'll see you guys next time, and hopefully my voice will be back to normal. See you later.